Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my channel Technical Learning for All. And today we are going to understand one of the latest feature of Java, okay? Maybe most of you don't know, okay? So today we are going to understand sealed class in the Java, okay? And we will see complete step by step example also with concept. So our topic is sealed classes in the Java. So let's create one Java project. Create a Java project. Okay. I'm giving the name as latest feature. Okay. Latest features and using JDK 18 here. Next and finish. Here, let's create one package. Swapnil dot. Oh, sorry. Um, sealed classes. Sealed class demo. Okay. Sealed class demo. Sealed class is not allowed. Class demo. Finish. Oh, fine. Now, here, first thing, let's create one class, okay, called Lenovo laptop. Now, just imagine there are two Lenovo brand. One is the Lenovo Z580, okay. So I'm creating another class called Lenovo Z580, and other is the Lenovo ThinkPad, okay. These are two classes I created. Now, just imagine this Lenovo laptop is the parent class. Okay. So here I am just writing one method as public void print name. Okay. Public void print name sysout control space in double quote Lenovo laptop. I'm copying the same method. Okay. Copying the same method, and before that I just want to extend, okay? I just want to use inheritance here, okay? So this Lenovo laptop is the parent class, okay? And these two are the child classes. So for parent and child relationship, we are going to use the extends keyword here, extends keyword, okay? So guys, we are going to see the demo of the inheritance firstly, okay? And after that, I will show the demo of the sealed classes. So we are going to extend from the Lenovo laptop class, and this class also we are going to extend from the Lenovo laptop class. Lenovo laptop. Okay, fine. Now let's override the method. This is the Lenovo Z580, Lenovo Z580, and this one is the Lenovo ThinkPad. So copying the same method, and here just print the name of the Lenovo ThinkPad. Fine. So our parent class is there and we have the two child classes here, right? New class test with main method, parent object is equal to new child, sorry, not this one, new child Lenovo ThinkPad, And again, parent object L2 is equal to new child. Our child is what? Lenovo Z580, right? Now L1 dot print name, L2 dot print name. Let us run the main class. Run as Java application. Okay, so now here we are using the concept of the inheritance. Okay, what we have done is that we created one parent class with the method called Lenovo laptop, right? And then we created two child classes, right? The child class Lenovo Z580, extending the parent class which is Lenovo laptop. Okay, and this Lenovo ThinkPad also extending the Lenovo laptop class. So as you know, okay, by default, the method of the parent class, okay, here Lenovo laptop is the parent class and these two are the child classes, right? See, we are extending the Lenovo laptop in the Lenovo Z580. We are extending the Lenovo laptop in the Lenovo ThinkPad, right? So these two are child classes. So by default, what happens is that parent class, okay, whatever method we have in the parent class, that will get inherited inherited to the child class, right? So but in case if child class is already having the same method, okay, then it will execute the same method. Okay, so here what we are doing is that Lenovo laptop L2 is equal to new Lenovo Z580, right? Now let's do one thing. If I remove this method, okay, from the Lenovo Z580, see, it is printing the Lenovo Z580. I am just removing it, Control X and Control S. And now if I run this program, okay, still we got the output, right? We did not received any error, okay, for this object, right? Why? Because this Lenovo Z580 extending the method from the Lenovo laptop. So we got here as the Lenovo laptop, which is coming from the parent class method, right? So this is the concept of the inheritance. Now just imagine tomorrow, okay, tomorrow, if in the company, if you are going to build your own framework, right? Now what happens is that if any client come and he created a class called like just demo, okay, I'm giving name like A, okay, I'm giving name as the A here, and anyone, okay, A extends, okay, A extends Lenovo laptop, right? A extends Lenovo laptop. Rather than A, let's give name like car here, okay? Car, okay? Versions, extend the Lenovo laptop, change the class name also, rename file to car version, okay? Now see, tomorrow someone created the random class called car version, and this random class is extending the Lenovo laptop, right? So this I don't want. I don't want any random class, okay, to extend my class. So in this case, what I can do is that I can make my class as the sealed class. I think my battery is low, so let me just take charger. Okay, so see, just imagine there is a random class called car version, and I don't want, okay, this class to extend the Lenovo laptop. So what I can do is that I can make the Lenovo laptop class as the sealed class. Okay, so what I will do, I will just come here, public sealed class. Okay, Lenovo laptop. Now, once you make your class as the sealed, now it is sealed, right? So if it is sealed, it should permit someone. See the error message. If you just move cursor here, right? Sealed class or interface lack the permit clause, right? And no class or interface from the same compilation unit declare Lenovo laptop as the direct superclass or super interface. So now what compiler is expecting is that, okay, if you are using the sealed keyword here, okay, if this class is sealed, then you must use the permit, okay, So this class, as per my logic, I want to permit only these two classes, right? To inherit this class. So what I will do, I will use here permit keyword permits, okay, and then permits. Then I will just give the name of this two laptop, Lenovo ThinkPad here, okay, permits Lenovo ThinkPad, comma, permits Lenovo Z580. Great, right? So now my class Lenovo laptop is the sealed class, which is permitting only two classes, okay, to inherit like that. Now, if I come here, I got one error now here. Now just imagine this Lenovo ThinkPad is extending the sealed class. This Lenovo Z5 also extending the sealed class, right? Now the error which we got here is that, let us read that. The class Lenovo ThinkPad with a sealed direct superclass or sealed direct superinterface should be declared either final, sealed, or non-sealed. Okay? What it is telling me is that your child class is extending from the sealed class. Okay? So in that case, either your child class should be final or sealed or non-sealed. If I make it as a non-sealed, okay, anyone can extend it. If I make it as sealed class, again I have to use the permit and all this stuff the way we use in the parent class, right? But what I will do is that I will make it as a final. I hope it is clear. Okay, child class either final or sealed or non-sealed. Okay, so public class final. Okay, final. Lenovo ThinkPad extend Lenovo laptop. One error here. What's the error? Syntax error on token final. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Public final class. Okay, it should be, sorry, Control Z, public final class. Control S. Now I made the child class as the final. Again, if you go to second child class, which is Lenovo Z580, right? What it is asking is that the Lenovo Z580 with the sealed, okay, we are extending from the sealed class, okay. So if you are extending from the sealed class, in this case, Lenovo laptop is what? It is a sealed class, right? So if we are extending from the sealed class, okay, in that case, our Lenovo Z580, it is a child class. It should be either final or sealed or non-sealed. Okay, so I will make it as a final. Okay, public final class. I hope you got it right. Now see, I only permitted Lenovo ThinkPad and Lenovo Z580. In this case, other class, okay, this class will not be able to my class will not be able to extend my class directly. Now if you check here the error, the class car version with sealed direct superclass or sealed direct super interface should be declared either final or sealed or non-sealed. Okay, okay, what I will do, I will just make it as a final, right? Control S. Now once I make it final, okay, the way I made it for other child classes, still I got one error. What is that? The type car version, okay, car version extending the sealed class Lenovo laptop should be permitted, should be permitted subtype of the Lenovo laptop. So it is not allowing any other class, okay, to extend my class. Why? Because my class Lenovo laptop is the sealed now, right? So I will not allow client, I will not allow customer, okay, to extend my classes. Okay, I will just allow the classes which I want to permit by declaring them here, right? So guys, I hope you got the concept of the sealed class. Okay, this is not required, just a normal, we are just creating the object and we are printing that thing here. Okay, one error is here. What is the error? Okay, yeah, it is the error, right? This one, we can't inherit, right? Any other class cannot inherit. So what I will do, I will just simply remove this one then. And if we run this now, we are simply printing that thing. Okay, but I hope you got the logic. Okay, we have two child classes, we have one parent class. The parent class is now sealed. If it is sealed, it should permit someone. So we are permitting two classes, right? And only those two classes will be able to extend my parent, my cell class. So I hope you understood the concept of the sealed classes in the Java. Okay, if you like my video, okay, please subscribe Technical Learning for All channel. Okay, and thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Take care.